Alright, looking at the NASDAQ futures here, you can see that the uptrend that we had drawn from the November 9th lows has been violated, and a channel from the all-time highs has begun to form. On the primary, we're still well above that 23.6, so bullish nature. The smaller term secondary here, though, sitting below the 61.8 now, that was acting previously as support, now resistance. So what I would assume we'll see is price to remain in this volume here. Volume really does extend the whole range of this secondary Fibonacci level. So we could even see price possibly move back down here into the 100 to, I guess it would be a triple bottom at that point, and then come up and retest the 61.8. Maybe if we see overnight selling or just a quick burst of selling tomorrow morning, come down and test that, and then retrace its way back up here and test this top of this channel, and as well as that volume and that 61.8. Overall, I think that the NQ is in a lot better position than the ES at this point, as it's still holding within its volume node. But we'll have to see if that continues to remain the case, or if we do see failure. If we do see failure of this 100, would look for the primary 23.6 as well as that 161.8 here at 52.62 up into about 52.81. And below that, you have the 161.8 of the secondary here at 52.15. So certainly some price points to watch. Volume doesn't really come back into NQ until 51.40, but there'd be a pretty big washout unless if we see global events, etc. news, maybe we see a move like that. But again, just like the ES, kind of orderly selling. We haven't really seen any floodgates open. The volume still is maintaining a general average. We don't see any volume spikes to indicate bottoming, and we don't really see light volume as price isn't rising. So we'll have to watch this null, we'll have to watch this 100 and see how it tests. If we get in a little bit closer, you see there's plenty of room, even into Tuesday, for this price to kind of move a little bit lower and then come up. If we do test the 100 before we back test that 61.8, I would expect for at least that move to occur. The channel top doesn't cross over the 61.8 until the 18th, so that would give the market until Tuesday to get to this point. I'm not really thinking that we see a huge flush out of the market. I think maybe just we're moving lower and we're testing previous pricing. We're seeing where we can find bids. So unless we get some sort of news to alter that course, I would think the NQ is just kind of stuck here in volume for the time being.